Today we're gonna be this is not a gaming video, but it's gonna be like Lego Nanoblocks. But today we'll be having this Lego Nanoblock set. It's right here. 6618-A or whatever. It's a dog. 950 pieces, age 14. Oh wait, what? It's 3+. Never mind, let's just get moving. So let's open the box. So we have these little instructions. We got 1, 2, and 3 packs. And let's move this out. So we're just gonna open them. So we're just gonna start with the building instructions, see how this works. So these are these have 38 steps and 14 pages. That moving forward, we're gonna be opening these bags in a second. Let's move these out. Alright, starting off with so we're starting step 1. So what does it say? Okay. Wait. Where did that 6 little thingy go? Okay, I found it. This will take a lot of time, but okay. You probably need to zoom in a little more to see the full view. Making the little base. Where's the little 3 thingy? Oh, it's this bag. Then this thing just get a little bit more easier. Oh no, I think I'll pick that up. Okay. And then this thing is here, and here, and this space belongs to here, I believe. Wonder if I did this wrong. No, okay. Then we need a little 6-piece. We might need to do separate parts so all the pieces can get in place. Oh my god, what is happening? Is there a little tool that we can use or what? Just minimizing the focus. It says we need a 4-piece. Then, oh, what is that? It's in the way. My bad. I've done this for like 3 years, and I'm still trying to find like the fastest way how to like build it perfectly. And the goal has not met yet. We need 2 6s. Oh, I think they're back here. Then we need another 3 to finish the first floor, the first level. Okay, so it looks like that. And the second level. So what if we just build like that to make it a little easier, just in case. I'm just trying to build the second and third level so we can put it all together in one place. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we need another 6. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Need another one of these. Then a 5. Wait. Oh, that's a 4. I'm not looking at it way too much. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is this side. Hold on. We're already 9 minutes in. Then we need a 6. On the third part. 4. Then 2 more 8. Shoot. So this is the I actually building out all of it yet. Hold on. Let me double check. Then we need another one of these. Let's take this one out. I know this camera is not really supporting all the viewers and stuff, but like, I'm just trying my best. Alright, so right now I'm at this product, so this is part 1, and I'll do another video of part 2. Goodbye.